In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header and footer smaller on your Wix website. Whether you're seeking a sleeker design or looking to optimize your site's layout for improved user experience, adjusting the size of these elements can play a crucial role. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to go to the Wix website, so open your preferred browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. If you need to access your specific website, find it on your dashboard and give it a click. You'll be taken to the Wix editor, which is where the magic happens. Now that we're in the editor, take a moment to look at your design. At the top, you'll see your header, which is the part that usually contains your logo and navigation menu. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of your page, you'll see your footer. This is typically where you place contact information, social media links, or additional navigation options. Our goal is to make these sections more compact. Let's start with the header. The key here is simplicity. Review the elements included within this section. Remove or resize anything that feels unnecessary. For instance, if you have an extra large logo, consider resizing it or perhaps adjusting the padding, which is the space around the elements, to achieve a tighter fit. Remove any redundant text boxes or decorative elements that do not serve a particular function. Streamlining these elements can significantly reduce the space consumed by your header while also giving it a much cleaner look. Make sure to consider mobile responsiveness as well by toggling to mobile view and ensuring your header still looks great on smaller screens. Next, let's switch our focus to the footer. Much like the header, examine every component within it. Often, footers can become a catch-all for information, but less is often more. Just like with the header, remove anything that might not be crucial for your visitors. If you have multiple columns, consider consolidating information into a more compact format. Use concise text for key points only, such as essential contact information or links to important pages. Consider utilizing icons for social media links rather than lengthy URLs, which tend to consume more space. This approach enhances the aesthetic of your site by tightening up the design while maintaining a professional appearance. Once you've made all these adjustments, remember to preview your website. Use the preview mode to see exactly how these changes look in real time and ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you're happy with the new look, don't forget to save your work by hitting that publish button. And there you have it, a concise guide to resizing your Wix website's header and footer to achieve a more streamlined, user-friendly design. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.